To decorate a cottage house with simple furniture and make the atmosphere feel cozy is by bringing in natural materials such as stone, plant fibers such as wood, wicker, rattan, and of course leaving the texture visible in the fabrics, because a good choice begins by choosing the largest elements such as the sofa, and on that basis work on what you like the most, such as charming clay vases, flower arrangements, baskets, blankets, etc., which is what catches your attention in the house. By Justine. Here in this home tour we can learn how neutral tones emanate tranquility, calm and serenity in the design. In the living room, the combination of rustic stone frames on the windows and exposed beam ceilings in a cottage-style living room creates a charming and cozy atmosphere for several reasons. Rustic stone frames add a touch of natural beauty and texture to the room, giving it a warm and inviting feel. The earthy tones of the stone work well with the cottage-style aesthetic, creating a harmonious and cohesive look. Exposed beam ceilings add character and charm to the space, giving it a sense of history and authenticity. The natural wood tones of the beams complement the rustic stone frames, creating a cohesive design that feels both cozy and stylish. If there is the possibility of having the combination of stone frames and exposed beams can create a sense of rustic elegance, blending the simplicity of cottage style with the timeless appeal of natural materials. This harmonious mix of elements adds depth and interest to the room, making it feel not only charming but also sophisticated. Overall, the rustic stone frames and exposed beam ceilings work together to create a charming and inviting living room with a cottage style that is both cozy and stylish. In the kitchen, the rustic style of kitchen bar chairs complements the cozy cottage style by adding a sense of warmth, charm, and simplicity. The natural wood, distressed finishes, and traditional design of rustic chairs evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort, which are key elements of creating a cozy cottage atmosphere. Additionally, the sturdy and well-crafted nature of rustic furniture adds a sense of durability and dependability, reinforcing the idea of a welcoming and lived-in space. Overall, the rustic style of kitchen bar chairs helps to enhance the overall aesthetic of a cozy cottage style by providing a touch of authenticity and character. In the bedroom, cushions, blankets, and pillows are typically made from soft, plush materials such as cotton, wool, or fleece. These soft textures create a sense of warmth and comfort in a bedroom, making it feel cozy and inviting. Also, you can create a visually appealing look that adds depth and dimension to the room. This layered look adds to the overall cozy feel of the space. Do not forget, to add a personal touch to your bedroom decor. You can choose colors, patterns, and textures that reflect your personal style and create a space that feels uniquely yours. Remember, we want to create a sense of relaxation and comfort, making it a cozy retreat to unwind at the end of the day.